Look up. These two kanji are all around you. The kanji is heaven. You can also call it sky. Imagine a big person looking up the sky. A big person with an open arm looking up the sky is called ten. Meaning is heaven or sky. The second kanji, you can't see it, but you can feel it. It's called ki, air or energy. Sky, imagine a flowing lines. Like this. Flowing, invisible. That is called ki. Imagine you're breathing. That is called ki. Air or energy. You can call it air or energy. Combining ten and ki together is called weather.
Can you remember this now? Say it with me. Tenki, weather. Ten is sky, ki is energy or air. So both is tenki. Say it with me. Tenki. If this helped you, like and follow for daily kanji you will never forget.
Hand. Te. Imagine your hand reaching out to grab something. Your fingers reaching out to grab something. This is te. Hand. You create with your hand. You hold and help with your hands. That's called hand. Te. The next one is eye. Eye, it looks exactly like an eye. An eye. So the kanji is this and this. It is called me high.
Can you remember this? Say it with me. Me, I, me, I.
Me. Subscribe for easy kanji you will never forget. These two kanji indicate the border parts. Listen and move. It looks like an ear. Ear. Mimi, ear. Imagine your ear listening. Imagine your ears. Ignore my drawing. Imagine your ears listening. The kanji is written like this. Mimi. Ear, ears, listening. That is Mimi. Your ear listening and catching every sound. The next kanji is ashi, foot or leg. A foot stepping forward. Imagine your foot stepping forward. So imagine your foot. This is your foot stepping forward. So this is a person moving with their foot stepping forward. It's called ashi. Leg. Mimi. Ashi. The next kanji is see or look. To see means miru. Imagine an eye and legs moving. That means it's going to see. Imagine your eyes having legs. Eye and your legs moving. So you're going to see. See is me. See or look. But if you want to say to see, you have to add ru. miru, to see. Eye moving, see. An eye moving. The next one is to say. Words coming out from the mouth is called speech or to say. Imagine words coming out from this mouth. Imagine words coming out. This is the mouth. And you have words coming out. It's called say. See it, say it. You say something to express yourself. You see and say. Subscribe for easy kanji you will never forget. The next kanji is kane, gold or money. Kane or kin. Imagine burying a treasure in the earth. So this is the earth. Imagine burying a treasure in the earth. Dig deep and there is 4 golden nuggets of precious under the ground. These are the nuggets. 1, 2, 3. Under the ground. Above this ground, we now have a roof. A roof protecting the treasure. That is kin or kane. A treasure buried in the ground. Money, gold, is yours forever. Money or kane. And you can also see this kanji in kinyobi, which is Friday. The next one is, this means yen. It is called en. It's also called seko. Look at a Japanese coin. It is perfectly round. So let's imagine a perfect seko. A perfect circle that is closed, and inside it you have 2 strokes. One stroke like this and one stroke like this. Like the shine and value stamp on the face of the coin, yen or en. So from here, let's derive the kanji. Circle with 2 strokes. It's called yen. Now look at this. It has an outer frame like the edge of the coin. Kane or kin, which is money or gold. A 4 nuggets under a roof. Say it loud. Kane, Japanese money, called yen or en. Gold and yen. Now, it is yours forever. I am a mom of 2 learning Japanese from scratch. I share kanji lessons every single day. Subscribe and like the video. This kanji is falling from the sky right now. It is called rain. This means ame. Look at the sky and the horizontal line below the sky. Imagine 4 raindrops falling from the sky. Can you see them? It is rain. The person who created this kanji was watching a rainy day exactly like the ones below. Let's imagine a sky. Like a thunder striking in the middle. And we have 4 raindrops. It's called ame. The next kanji is yuki, snow. You already know the rain, which is what we just explained now. Now look at the rain sitting right at the top. The rain is still there, but underneath it, something has changed. The temperature has dropped. The rain has frozen. And now a hand is sweeping and smoothing the snow flat. So imagine a hand sweeping and smoothing the snow because the rain has frozen. The temperature has dropped. Imagine a raindrop on the sky. Or raindrop. But because the temperature has frozen, now imagine a hand sweeping. The hand sweeping and smoothing the snow flat on the ground. The hand flatten the snow on the ground. Rain at the top and sweeping snow smooth at the bottom. The rain has frozen and it fell as snow. So this is called yuki, snow, yuki. Snow. Say it one more time. yuki. So this is one beautiful word in Japanese, yuki. It even sounds soft and cool and peaceful, like in snow actually falling. The Japanese language is full of moments like this where the words sound exactly like what it means. The next kanji is hyaku, 100. So imagine a white line holding many numbers together. Imagine stacking many numbers together until they become a huge amount. 100. A white line stacking many numbers together. Then one day you finally reach 100 after collecting many coins together. Reaching 100 feel exciting, right? Like achieving a goal you have worked so hard for. That is called hyaku, 100. If you're able to remember 100 in kanji, please subscribe and like the video. The next kanji is sen, 1000. This looks like a person pointing towards something enormous, 1,000 things. One person pointing to 1,000 things. Imagine someone pointing his arms. Wow, called sen. So imagine you're standing on a hill. You're looking out at a vast crowd of thousands of people. You point your arm out across all of them. Too many people to count. That reaching arm pointing across the crowd is called sen. 1,000. If your brain just locked that in forever, please like the video. The next kanji is do. This is called ground. Imagine a pile of earth, gravel, and sand on the ground. So this is the ground, and a vertical line, that means something is growing from the ground. A pile of sand is on the ground. It's called do. Imagine this is the ground, and there's something growing from the ground, and we have small leaf. So you can also assume on the ground we have a pile of gravel, stone, and rocks on it. It's called do, ground. The next kanji is ko, child. A very good way to remember this is imagine a child with his arms open. A child with his arms open is called ko. Imagine this little happy child. So his arms open, smiling and running towards you. The next kanji is watashi, I. It's called watashi. Imagine someone introducing yourself and you point to yourself saying watashi. You point to your nose. So imagine this is the nose and you point to your nose saying watashi, meaning me. That feeling of talking about yourself is called watashi. You are speaking and pointing to yourself. Thank you for watching. If you were able to remember one kanji today, please kindly like and subscribe to the video. The next kanji is man. So imagine the straight line. Imagine it's 10,000 yen, and 10,000 man is what? 5 digits. So imagine we have 5 up below the 10,000. The straight line up, imagine is 10,000 man, right? And we have, which is this line, and we have 5,000 is 5 digits. So let's write 5 digits under the 10,000. So this gives us man in kanji. So this is the 10,000 and it's 5 digits. Is man. That's it. That sticks in your head. You will never forget this. The next kanji is maniau. For the ma, imagine seeing a sun between the gates. For the a, imagine a lid covering a box. The next kanji is otoko, man. Imagine a rice field and a powerful man walking on the rice field. So the rice field is on top and the powerful man is below. Final kanji is otoko no ko. Imagine a rice field and a powerful man walking on the rice field. So the rice field is on top and the powerful man is below. Otoko no ko. For the ko, I've explained it earlier. I am a mom of 2 learning Japanese from scratch, which tells you that if I can do it, so you can. Follow me on my journey. If you learn kanji from this channel, please like and subscribe. It tells YouTube that this content is beneficial to people. So follow me on my journey. Thank you.